The Bluavido 12 inches car rearview mirror dash cam, available on Aliexpress, offers a range of high-tech features that make driving safer, more convenient, and enjoyable. Equipped with 4G Android 8.1, GPS navigation, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, this advanced dash cam integrates essential safety features with entertainment and communication tools. Let's explore what makes this device a valuable addition to any vehicle. The Bluavido dash cam captures full HD video, allowing for crisp, clear images that can be vital in capturing details such as license plates, driver actions, and road conditions. This high-definition video quality is essential for providing clear evidence in the event of an accident. The dash cam supports multi-screen display, enabling you to view GPS navigation and live recording footage simultaneously. This feature is particularly useful for staying on track with your route while keeping an eye on what's happening in real time around your vehicle. Equipped with two cameras, the Bluavido dash cam records from two angles simultaneously: a front-facing camera with a 140-degree field of view and a rear-facing camera with a 120-degree view. This dual camera setup ensures comprehensive coverage, capturing everything in front and behind your vehicle. The dash cam runs on Android 8.1, powered by a quad-core 1.4 GHz processor. This high-performance system ensures smooth, fast operation and supports the installation of apps from the Google Play Store. Whether it's navigation, entertainment, or communication apps, you can customize your device to suit your needs.